Farm animals. Guess the animal game. Game mechanics. 1. Read the clues carefully. 2. Guess the farm animal. 3. Try your best and win a star. It likes to eat grass. It provides milk. It's a big farm animal. It makes the sound moo. Yes. This is the cow. It has feathers. It can lay eggs. Its baby is called a chick. It makes the sound cluck cluck. Yeah. This is the hen. It likes to eat grass. It provides wool. Its baby is called lamb. It makes the sound ba ba. You are right. It's sheep. It has feathers. It has webbed feet. Its baby is called a duckling. It makes the sound quack quack. Yes. That's the duck. It runs fast. It can be ridden. Its baby is called a foal. It makes the sound nate. Yeah. This is the horse. It's bigger than a chicken. It has huge feathers. Its baby is called a poult. It makes the sound gobble gobble. Correct. This is turkey. Good job. Here's a star for everyone. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.